With 2019 NADA Chairman Charlie Gilchrist and NADA President and CEO Peter Welsh at the helm, this morning, the ceremonial unbuckling of the seatbelt opened the 2020 NADA Expo.
I want to welcome you to our 2020 NADA Auto Show, the best show in the auto industry.
1, 2, 3, 4.
This year, there are over 500 companies covering 700,000 square feet of the Expo Hall. Expand your network and improve your dealership while collaborating with this diverse collection of vendors. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity to check out the Expo floor. It's open from 8:30 to 5 p.m. all weekend and 8:30 to 2:30 on Monday. We'll see you there.